Welcome to OnContact CRM training. This video is an overview of the CRM 10 setup area, which is used to manage codes, system settings, and CRM users. Codes are the values that populate dropdowns, like profile, status, and list, for example. To become familiar with these codes and how to manage them, let's add a new company status. To do this, open Codes, and then Company, and then Company Statuses. Click the plus sign to add a new status, and a drawer will open where the status description is filled in. The Active checkbox means the code itself is available on the Company Status dropdown. Codes that are no longer used should be marked inactive. Those codes will not appear on the dropdown. The Is Active checkbox is used to indicate whether or not the record attached to the status is active or not. Using Is Active in searches simplifies finding active records. Click Save to add the new status when ready, and it will appear in the Company Status dropdown on screens and searches. Most other codes work the same way except for Action Codes, which has more features and options. We will cover action codes in greater detail in another video. The next area we will cover is called System. System Setup opens a card which contains global settings like the product key and login and password management features. Note the login timeout setting is in minutes, so when set to the default, which is 0, users will be timed out in 20 minutes. The third setup area is called Users. Here you will find a list of all CRM users. Click on a user on the list to open basic information about the user, and click on the Open button to view more detailed information about that person. A future video will cover user setup in more detail. And this concludes our CRM 10 setup area overview. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.